Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of Miss Planet. We are so glad you can join us. So this week we have a request from our community in general about showing a fall inspired wedding centerpiece. So what did we do? We did exactly that. Now this centerpiece is a little bit more involved than our normal ones, but trust me, I'm giving you the step by step, you can absolutely do this. So, what are we waiting for? Let's get started with this episode of Tall Fall Wedding Centerpiece. All right, guys, let's get to it. So our base for this centerpiece is going to be a 12-inch metal lantern that I got from the Dollar Tree for $3, as well as a 6-inch and a 4-inch styrofoam disc. A lot of these supplies I got from the Dollar Tree, but unfortunately, they are not available online. You have to go in the store. This centerpiece requires a lot of layering. So what I would tell you is to just take your time, rewind the video as many times as you need to, and before attaching a little dab of hot glue to the stems, make sure you're happy with the placement. So place it, take a step back, look at it. If you like it, remove it, add a dab of hot glue, and put it right back in its place for security. You can absolutely do this. Just take your time and enjoy the process. Now that we have completed the base, we're going to move on to the top. For this, we're going to take our 4-inch disc. I'm going to trim out an oval in the center of it so that it can sit on the top of our lantern. Just take your time. You're gonna, you can place it and then remeasure, trim it out. You can absolutely do this. Just take your time. Once you have your oval trimmed out as you would like, I like to make sure that my lantern hook is stationary so it's not flopping around. So I'm just going to add a little dab of glue on each side, hold it there for about a minute to 2 minutes to allow the glue to set up, and then your handle will stay in place. It's just that little extra detail that actually goes a long way. We're going to place our foam disc on top, adding a little hot glue to the interior rim, and hold it in place for another minute or so it can set up. We're going to add our LED pillar candle as our final touch. Well, guys, how did we do? It's absolutely stunning. Can't you imagine this in a fall wedding venue, say like outdoors, or even in maybe like a barn setup? I'm so excited to see how you guys take this centerpiece and make it your own. If you like this project, by all means like us, subscribe so you can be the first to know when we post our projects. And if there's a project that we can help you with, please by all means go to the comment section, write your questions, or just make your comments. Your encouragement goes so far you can't even imagine. Well, if you'd like to hang out with us some more, by all means do. You can find us on our social media, and that would be Facebook, Twitter, now known as X, Instagram, and do not forget to check out our Pinterest page. The Pinterest is so much fun. I get to be so creative on my Pinterest pin, so check us out over there on Miss Planet at Pinterest. If you haven't signed up for your Rakuten account, not sure what you're waiting for because they pay you to shop, you can head on down to the description, sign up for your account, sign on to Rakuten, make your qualified purchases, and receive a check for your shopping efforts. Well, guys, our time has come to an end. It goes by so fast. I first want to thank you for hanging out with us. We know you have so many options on YouTube, and we do not take your support lightly, so thank you for that. If there's a project we can help you with, head on over to our website, MissPlanet.com, click on the Project Request tab, and follow the very simple steps. Please send us your project requests sooner than later because our production schedule fills up so fast, and I absolutely hate telling anyone no. So head on over to our website. You can click on that little button right there in the corner. It'll take you straight there. Go to the Project Request tab and click on it. Follow the very simple steps. In addition to that, we have so many information blog posts on our website with written and picture instructions as well as more cost-saving tips. So check us out. Check out our website, MissPlanet.com. I hope that everyone enjoyed spending this time with us. We cannot wait to hang out with you guys again. So until next time, always remember, when every penny counts, you can count on Miss Planet. Please take care of yourself. We will see you soon. God bless.